Kelly Barlow Creations Crafting on a Budget. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. By popular request, I've come out with some stinking cute new merchandise in different styles and colors. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below. Today, I am bringing to you my first Dollar Tree haul of September, and boy oh boy, Dollar Tree has really got their shelves stocked with some seasonal and holiday items. They're putting them out a bit early, so I think that if these are items that you are interested in, you definitely want to keep your eye out for them at your Dollar Tree, because once they come in, they seem to be going pretty quick, and my Dollar Tree doesn't seem to be restocking them, which is weird because they brought them in really early this year. And so fingers crossed that they do restock some of these seasonal holiday items, because they did bring them in early, and there were items that I didn't realize were in the stores already that I missed out on that I would really like to pick up. So I too, like a lot of you, will be keeping my eye open for some of the items that I have seen hauled in other hauls, because they are items that I'd like to use as decor pieces in my house and items that I'd like to use in upcoming DIYs. So today, let me show you what I've ran across at my Dollar Tree, and let me show you some of the items that I've picked up for some upcoming DIYs. Let's jump into it. Alrighty, I am gonna start this Dollar Tree haul off with these pillar candles that I found. Not only do I love the candles themselves, but I love that they're wrapped in twine, and I love the metal leaf embellishment that comes on them. I picked them up in 3 colors, the orange, yellow, and this autumn red, and I will be using these in an upcoming autumn DIY. I also found these glass votive holders. There's this etching on the bottom half of the jar. I love that it is tied on the top with a leaf embellishment as well. I found these in a few different colors, in this autumn red, this gorgeous green, and this yellow. I also found these glass leaf tea light holders. Dollar Tree has got some fun, festive harvest and autumn decor this year. I also found some scented tea lights. I picked up some pumpkin spice and cinnamon spice. If you're a wax melts person, they definitely have a great variety of scented wax melts. And again, I picked up the apple spice and the pumpkin spice. I picked up a 4-pack of these cinnamon spice votives to put in my jars. And can I just tell you that Dollar Tree has an amazing selection of candle holders. I found these beautiful globe votive holders that are a really nice size, and this leaf embellishment is also tied on with twine. Loving these. I found it in this autumn red, this gorgeous brown that I had to have, and this beautiful autumn green. They had them in a couple of different styles. I love the shape of this one, and you can find this shape in the green and the autumn red as well. How about these stinking cute pumpkin candles? These are so stinking cute. I love these. The wick is at the top of the stem of the pumpkin. I found them in 2 different sizes, and I gotta tell you, I fell in love with these etched glass autumn vases that the Dollar Tree has right now. Of course, this has Kelly Barlow written all over it with the twine, and again with the metal leaf embellishment. I love the shape, I love the color. I picked these up for an upcoming harvest DIY that I will be doing. Loving that the Dollar Tree has their autumn and harvest colored bows out. I found these in a 2-pack, and I found 3 different styles of these bows, so I picked up all 3 styles. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm sure I will find something, and so I picked them up just to put in my stash. And my Dollar Tree finally got this autumn and harvest dinnerware set. I am loving it. It came in a full set with the plate, the drinking glass, a wine glass, and of course the matching mug, and a bowl, and the saucer. What an amazing collection to serve your Thanksgiving dinner on. And I did have a bit of trouble finding the matching plates that go with the set at the first two Dollar Trees I went to. And so I originally was gonna go with this solid orange one that goes perfectly with the set as well. An alternative if you can't find the plate. And I love that they have this dish drawing mat that matches the set and the dish towels. Although I did not find a matching placemat, I did, however, find these beautiful woven placemats that are an amazing quality. They were very heavy duty, absolutely beautiful. I love the rustic farmhouse feel of this style here. And if you're into sunflowers and acorns, they have these placemats as well. I picked up 5 rolls of this orange glitter wired ribbon. There is 9 feet in each roll. I'll be using this in an upcoming DIY. And I also picked up 2 rolls of this decorative harvest wired ribbon as well. 2 rolls of mesh, one in brown and one in green. These will be used in an upcoming DIY. And one of Dollar Tree's 14-inch wire wreath rings. I've been on the lookout for these wire LED lights. I found them in the copper and silver. And this was a fun find. I've been waiting for LA Colors matte lipsticks to come in, and I found 5 colors that I am pretty excited to try. And here are the numbers of the colors that I found that I will be using that you can expect to be seeing me wearing in upcoming videos. And that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I did, however, stop by the 99-cent store because I happened to find out that they were putting out some of their harvest decor, and the 99-cent store has the best burlap rolls ever. I love the burlap rolls that they carry there, and so this is an item that I like to pick up yearly and stock up on. And I did make a stop at Walmart as well because I am doing a non-Dollar Tree DIY here pretty soon, and I wanted to pick up some items from Walmart. So I picked up this 12-inch wired wreath ring that you can get at Walmart for $1. And I also picked up 4 rolls of Walmart's colored burlap. These burlap rolls are huge burlap rolls. I paid $3 a roll for them. And boy, oh boy, do they go pretty stinking far. I picked them up in the colors of green, this harvest orange, white, and beige. And again, this is for an upcoming non-Dollar Tree autumn and harvest DIY that I will be bringing to you really soon. Today's shout outs going out to Sonja Evans, Elizabeth Rios, Dee Dee Farrago, Patty Delaney, Sandy Richards, and Debbie B. Make sure to head on over to Alli's channel this week to see what amazing items she found at the Dollar Tree as well. Link to her video will be in the description box below. And there you have it, some of the new items that the Dollar Tree is carrying. And like I've said before, I bring you these Dollar Tree hauls so that way you can see what's in the stores right now, and if there's something that you like, you know to keep your eye open for it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because like I've said before, those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow a bit faster. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.